guys, I'm at the reception now and I'm doing like a check-in process. So what's next? What's next?
So this is our location. Here we have all the restaurants.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Mauritius, and I am here now in Constance Belmare La Plage. Okay, I'm just gonna write the right hotel name in this video, and this is their entrance. And as you enter, guys, they have a little boutique here that you can buy your stuff, like if you're running out of clothes and you want to have a new bikini or new dress. So they have a little boutique here, and I'm gonna show you. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. So now I am going to the reception. I'm going to the reception and let's see if my room is ready. And on this side they have the reception. Reception desk. So that's the reception. So let's go back and oh my god, this place is amazing, guys. Look at this. So now let's go to the bar area. They said they have a really nice bar here, which there's no use for me because I don't drink. But let's see. Go to the outdoor. Oh my gosh, this is so relaxing. So I'm heading back to the reception. Hopefully my room is ready so I could finally enjoy this place. What do you mean boxes? Where's the boxes?
Pictures here.
Ah, okay.
The white and the black one.
Ah, okay, that one. Okay. And this is the swimming pool, right?
There's one swimming pool here.
And where is the other swimming pool?
On the other side.
The other side. Yes. Oh, finally! 915.
Yeah, and then you just take it.
Do I have the best room in this hotel?
Oh.
And it's not. Hey guys, finally I got my room. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my room. Hold on a sec. So ito na yung room ko. This is my room. So as soon as you enter the door, you will have this bathtub or bathroom on the right side. Woohoo! I think I'm gonna use this tonight, and I hope they have the, yay, they have that. So I have two sinks. I have a shower there. there, shower. And then I think this is the toilet. Perfect. So that's it. So walking out from that, I have a cabinet here and me. So, and I think I have a safe box here. Yes, perfect. And I have that for laundry if I need some laundry. And then this is my bed. Yay. This is my bed, and they have this door, sliding door. Perfect. So, you know, it's so cool. Look at that bathtub next to my bed. So let's close that again. And then, you know what is this, guys? They told me that if I want my bed sheet to be replaced, I just need to put this on my bed, so they know that they need to change. So I have my TV here. I have a coffee, complimentary coffee. I have Nespresso, very good, I like that. And let's see what's in the bar. So I have juice and a Coke and some, what is this, wine? I think so, it's wine. I don't need that. And then I have this as a dresser, and I have a couch here. Yes, I have a couch. I have a complimentary water here and an apple. It's not an apple, I have apples. So this is how my room looks like. Okay, let's go inside. Sorry, outside. And there you go. I have the pool right in front of my room. Yes. So I have also this a little space here for tonight. Maybe I'm just gonna turn on this light. I'm gonna sit down there, think about my life, how crazy my life has been. And yes, do you like it, guys? I do like it. Thanks, guys. I hope you like my room. Bye. I'm gonna enjoy myself now. Bye. Hey guys, I'm now ready. I got my room and I'm on my outfit and ready to spend the day in this beautiful island. First day, guys. It's my first day and I'm loving it. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Hey guys! I was just chilling here for like 2 hours and magsa-sunset na. It's almost sunset. What time is it? Hold on. Oh, it's 4:45 and I want to capture the sunset. So maybe I'll find a good spot to do the shot. So yes, look at the palm trees. Oh my god. I'm loving it. I'm back na sa room ko. I'm back na and then, ouch! Natusok yung eyes ko. Aray, sige, vlog pa more. Anyway, ano ba? Stop. So, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go out for dinner or magpapa-room service na lang ako. But, I think there's something going on there. Let's see what is it. And you know what, guys? I can smell it's like grilled. I think they're grilling something, maybe seafood or meat, but I'm gonna check out later. So I think before I go out for dinner, ako ay magbabathtub muna. Let's prepare it now. Ay! wrong. I pressed the wrong one. Okay, so where it is? Okay, this one. And then boom. Yeah. Perfect. Is it hot? Oh my god. Ang bango niya. Smells good. I finished na. And I am starving. So, order na lang tayo ng dinner. I'm just gonna order dinner. Because, I don't know, parang mas feel kong dito na lang kumain sa room. So, let's see what do they have. Oof.
Protective measures are also increased.
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. I am up now. It's 8 a.m. I'm just gonna have some breakfast. Hey guys, good morning. I'm at the restaurant and I'm gonna have some breakfast. And actually they are serving eggs Benedict, which is I'm so happy that they have. Hey guys, got my eggs Benedict and they have some bacon. Hey guys, so I actually requested them to make some mochaccino in ice, so that's good. And I'm gonna have this first batch of my breakfast, which is guys, I'm having lunch now. Actually, they don't have calamari, but I requested the chef if she can cook some for me, and he did. Special request. Thank you guys. Thank you for taking care of me here. So, lunch muna tayo guys. For the flies. Yes. Can I ask you, do you have mayonnaise? Mayonnaise, yes. Fly away.
Fly away. Don't disturb madam.
I'm enjoying it. Thank you. Thanks,
madam, like that?
Yeah, nice. Thanks to the chef. Hey guys, sorry I was not able to vlog because after breakfast I went to the pool. I just relaxed and gusto ko lang ng silent moment, kaya hindi na rin ako nag-video. So after this lunch guys, I'm gonna go back to the pool, maybe on the first pool because they have 3 pools here by the way. So I was there a while ago at the back. And then now I'm gonna go on the other side and I'm just gonna relax again. I just wanna clear my head, get the stress out of my system. Hey guys, look at these palm trees behind me. So relaxing. Hey guys, I finished my lunch. Oh my god, I'm so busog. I'm full. Anyway, I'm gonna have a rest again. I'm going to the first pool, and then sorry, but I need to go offline. No Wi-Fi muna, guys. I'm so happy to be here. So yeah, I'll see you later again. Guys, I'm back again. So actually I got my towel na, but when I went to the first pool, it's fully booked. It's not fully booked, but you know, there's no available sunbeds, so they told me to go to the another side, which is I'm heading there now. Anyway, I'm just showing you again the beach, guys. So nice. The sound of the waves, oh my god, makes me really relax. So walking na ako. I'm heading to the last pool. Ito yung second actually. Yan yung mga rooms. And then ang daming trees. So guys, I'm here. So guys, I'm still walking. I'm heading to the third pool. I'm so pagod na kagad. Parang na-burn na kagad yung nilunch ko. Char.